Welcome to Antivirus. You do not need antivirus or any security software to find dangerous apps on Android phone. You should keep your mobile phone clean from dangerous apps because they can access your microphone, camera, personal information, financial information, and a lot more without you noticing it. So to quickly scan your Android phone without any antivirus app, go to Play Store. Click on your avatar or profile image at the top right corner. From here, select Play Protect. Start scanning. It will scan all the apps on your phone and notify you if any harmful apps are installed. If any dangerous apps are found, they will be listed here and you will have the option to remove them. Otherwise, you will see no harmful apps found. In that case, your mobile phone and data are safe. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.